In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or any document that requires modifications, these tips will help you achieve the results you desire. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. If you're new to this software, don't worry. Make sure you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. Simply launch the program and from the main dashboard select the file you wish to edit. If it's the first time you're opening a PDF, you may need to locate it in your folders by choosing File, then Open and navigating to where your document is stored. It's important to note that Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free, will not support editing. You'll need Acrobat Pro to use the editing features we're about to discuss. Once your PDF is open in Acrobat, look towards the top of the interface for the global toolbar. Here you'll find a button labeled Edit. Clicking this icon will activate the PDF editing mode. This feature is at the core of Adobe Acrobat's capabilities, allowing you to make a wide range of modifications to your document. If you can't spot it immediately, don't worry, it's generally located alongside other common tool options like View and Organize Pages. Now with the editing mode enabled, you're ready to start making changes to your PDF. Adobe Acrobat provides a robust set of editing tools. You can add new text with ease, or if you need to modify existing text, simply highlight the portion you wish to change and start typing. The tool also allows you to adjust fonts to your liking. Whether you want to experiment with font type, size, or color, it's all possible here. If your document contains images, Acrobat lets you resize or move them around your page effortlessly. Click on any image and resizing handles will appear. Drag these handles to achieve the desired size, or click and drag to move the image to a different location. This versatility ensures your document looks exactly how you envision it. After you finish making all your desired edits and you're satisfied with the results, it's time to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure your work is preserved. Simply go to File and select Save if you want to overwrite the existing file. Alternatively, choose Save As if you prefer to keep a copy of the original unedited document. Name your file appropriately and choose the desired location on your computer for storing this edited file. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore more with this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.